Howdy folks, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk Giordano Plastering. Today, I want to show you guys is how we mud this chimney repair. Now, we were here, this is about the third, maybe fourth time these guys have had this done. And with us here, should be the last time. This is Jay's job, and I was here listening to him. He was talking to the homeowner, and when he got done, I had to smile. And he says, "What?" I said, "That reminds me of Lou." He said, "What reminds you of Lou?" And I said, "Your conversation with her. It's like that old song, The Cat's in the Cradle." He said, "What do you mean by that?" I said, "Well, remember when Lou, we were on a job site, and I was talking to the homeowner, end of the day, and Lou screams out, 'Kirk, he don't even have an idea what the hell you're talking about. Hurry up and let's go.'" So I looked at the homeowner. I said, "Do you know what I'm talking about?" He says, "No." I thought, good enough. That was like 25 years ago. So listening to Jay just now, I thought, man, we sure do over-explain stuff. But for the average person, all you guys need to know is we'll leave a job better than we found it, and we'll do it right. You can depend on us to be the last people you hire, rather than back and forth. And a lot of people don't have a clue what the heck they're doing. We do. Anyway, for the sake of this right here, we'll point something out. Now, we have to go with code. We have to go with cosmetics. I got some hot mud in this bucket, so I got, ooh-wee, that means hot mud. So what I've got to do is, if I float that right now, or start rambling about other things, I'll lose this bucket because it's got hot mud in it. Hot mud means we've got a lot of accelerators, and we accelerate it so it will dry now. So let me finish this, and I want to show you guys something. Okay, don't need that, don't need that. Let's get this corner trim plumb. So the census was done about 3 to 4 times already, and we're the last ones here. I want to point out something. Okay, what we did is they kept reattaching this fin here, this a Z-flashing. Now the stucco here is perfect. If I take it out to the Z-flashing, I'll be concaved. It'll go here and then out. It'll look kind of goofy. So we can't go with certain things. Like if I would counter this with a drip screen, then not only would it be out this far, it would be out that far. So you have to take in consideration codes and cosmetics, guys. We do. Anyway, just to simplify things. What's this? That's sand. How do you get sand? You bring it out with the float. So we take the handy dandy float here, and we just bring out the aggregate, bring out the sand. So that's all there is to this, guys. Generally, I'll flip this float here to keep the metal clean. And this is the back of the chimney. No one's going to see that. And when I say that, it doesn't mean we're going to leave it ugly. I just say that because I'm going to do what should be done. Make it true and level. It's that easy, guys. Do your joints. Water. There's no such thing as a green sponge float fixing something unless it's wet. So it's wet now. Now that it's brand new wet, I might as well clean this flashing. Clean that guy right there. And I'll get out my own way and take it here and go upward. Get that joint, guys. Get that joint. Anyway, getting back to that conversation, I was sure mad at Lou for a while, but I realized he's right. We do over-explain everything just because we're perfectionists. So anytime I'm talking about something, guys, on a job or on a video and you guys don't understand me, just say, Kirk, what the heck are you talking about? Because we use a lot of terminologies, stucco terms. All right, guys, different ending. Jay persuaded me to show the expansion joint that we can put manually. We did another video where I had this orange peeler, and one guy out of over 1,000 comments said, Kirk, how'd you put that expansion in? Thought I'd use this as to show you. You need a wet trowel, guys, wet brush. Now what you do is you follow the guide of the Z-flashing. So I'm following the guide, and each time I touch this, I wet this right here. Otherwise it'll pull a whole block out. Now once you got that, here's what you do, guys. Take it out of 45 now and just shave that little guy off. Shave it off. And then take it here, get rid of it, and all that does, guys, is it gives it a way to expand. Are we worried about waterproofing? Not really. But this, if the roof moves, the house moves, I won't be here. I'll be long gone, guys. But this is a good way to give it an expansion joint. So now we just take a brush and clean up that nasty little stuff up top. Boom. And right there. Now we take our handy dandy little rag and wipe this down. Anyway, guys, my name is Kirk. Jason's on the camera. It's his job. We thank you for watching, and as usual, we'll see you guys on the next one.
All right, folks, we want to thank you for watching how we do things in the stucco and plastering world. We really enjoy your questions and comments, so if there's anything you want to learn about that we can show you, please let us know in the comments. And as always, from the entire Giordano family, we'll see you on the next one.